Once again, I will repeat, my dear students, we are discussing right now complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue are of two types. One is xylem, another one is phloem. Already we discussed a simple permanent tissue. So simple permanent tissue are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So complex permanent tissue, already I told xylem and phloem. This complex permanent tissue are made up of more than one type of cells, my dear students. Complex permanent tissue, what is the definition of a complex permanent tissue is, these complex permanent tissue are made up of more than one type of cells that coordinate together to perform a common function. Complex permanent tissue made up of more than one type of cells. Complex permanent tissue are made of one type of cells, more than one type of cells that coordinate together to perform common function. So this is the definition of a complex permanent tissue. Next, as I said, xylem and phloem, there are two types of complex permanent tissues are there. Listen carefully, my dear students. Complex permanent tissue, these cells are made up of more than ಒಂದರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, more than 1 2 3 whatever it is, more than one, ಒಂದರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. There are two types of complex permanent tissue. One is xylem and another one is phloem. 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 My dear students, xylem ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಆ xylem cells ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, okay, considered what you are seeing, my dear students.
Xylem.
Okay, consider this as a xylem. So this xylem cells are made up of different components. This xylem cells are made up of different components. One is tracheids, TRACHEIDS, tracheids. Second one is vessels, tracheids, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Once again, I will repeat, my dear students. Just have a look. Xylem cells are made of 4 different components. In that first one, tracheids. Tracheids. Second one is vessels. Vessels. Third one is xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. And fourth one is xylem fibers. Tracheids. Tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. My dear students, this tracheids has tubular, it looks like a tubular dead cells. How this tracheids looks like? It looks like a tubular dead cells that transports. See, this tracheids transports water. This, with the help of the tracheids, transports water. And this tracheids cell wall made of lignin, made up of lignin, made up of lignin. My dear students, are you all getting my point? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Lignin. So lignin, therefore lignin provides mechanical support. My dear students, tracheids, how we identify tracheids? By seeing it is having a tubular dead cells that transports water, and that cell wall is made up of lignin, therefore it provides mechanical support. My dear students, see, I have written the diagram. This is a tracheids. See, observe that how I am writing. See, my dear students, first should draw like this. Next, like this. In between, See this kind of cells. Just you go on observing, my dear students, and you have to put a dot like this. This is water droplets. Water droplets. This is what? Tracheids. Tracheids. Just take down. My dear students, see, I'm sharing one pic, a tracheid diagram pic. Just yes. Are you all seeing this? Are you all seeing, my dear students?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the diagram. This is the diagram, my dear students. Just you take down. So in the next class, I will continue what is vessels, what are xylem parenchyma, and what are xylem fibers. Okay. Is it okay, my dear students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today we
Yes,
discussed, today we discussed a complex permanent tissues. In that the complex permanent tissues is bifurcated into two types. One is xylem, another one is phloem. So xylem cells are made up of 4 different compounds. One is tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. So in the tracheids, so how it looks like, so the structure, just you look the structure, it has a tubular, dead cells. It has a tubular, see the structure is like this. Tubular dead cells that transports the water, my dear students. See here, that transports the water. Just what you are seeing, the dots. So these dots are water molecules. Okay, and this cell wall is made up of lignin. This lignin, therefore, it provides a mechanical support to the plants, my dear students. This lignin, this tracheid cell wall is made up of lignin, L-I-G-N-I-N, lignin. So this gives mechanical support. This gives mechanical support. Okay. Is it clear, my dear students? Is it clear,
yes, sir.
my dear students? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we will end up the session, my dear students. Have a nice day. So tomorrow we will discuss xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye.